Yuhuan Town, Zhejiang Province, China, 1730. Local time, August 9th, 2026. At exactly 1730 local time on August 9th, 2026, Typhoon Dolphin made landfall in Yuhuan with destructive winds of 151 kilometers per hour, flipping heavy transport trucks and forcing the emergency evacuation of over 1 million residents in a single afternoon. When a warm ocean current transforms into an atmospheric monster in under 48 hours, where do you find safety when the ocean reclaims the land? But why did a multi-billion-dollar seawall system collapse in just 30 minutes? Join Natural Destruction as we decode the truth behind the storm. Welcome back to Natural Destruction. On this channel, we do not merely report breaking news or recite dry tragedy statistics. We decode the complex physical mechanics, urban dynamics, and human resilience behind our planet's most destructive events through three core lenses: science, humanity, and spiritual wisdom. If you value deep dive documentary journalism, consider subscribing to join our growing global family.
动车的房子摇起来了！我靠，那个窗！出去，到里面，到外面去，到外面去！
下雨天有雨，我的天哪
！August 7th, Typhoon. Dolphin rapidly intensifies over the western Pacific Ocean, reaching super typhoon status with central winds surpassing 210 kilometers per hour. August 8th, 1800. Maritime authorities in Zhejiang issue emergency orders for 20,000 fishing vessels to return to port. August 9th, 1730. Typhoon Dolphin officially makes landfall near Yuhuan, Zhejiang, with sustained winds of 151 kilometers per hour. August 9th, 2100. Emergency agencies confirm over 1 million residents relocated to shelters. But what news broadcasts never told you? What truly happened inside traditional homes when the line between life and death was measured in seconds? When Typhoon Dolphin struck Yuhuan at 1730 at 151 kilometers per hour, Bernoulli's principle demonstrated its destructive mechanics. As gale force winds accelerated over building roofs, static pressure dropped rapidly, creating massive aerodynamic lift. Once a single sheet was torn, high-pressure air rushed inside, causing explosive roof failure. Wind loads tumbled multi-ton transport trucks like toys. Winds ripped away the roofs, but the second hydrological wave pouring from the sky was the fatal trap that no modern city anticipated. Think about the sheer violence of that moment. Within minutes, thousands of pounds of aerodynamic lift tear away the roof, water pouring through ceilings, threatening 30 years of family heritage. Yet, amid that chaos, human empathy remained intact. Neighbors protected one another, and rescue teams braved the flood. If you believe these moments of human resilience and scientific truth deserve to be remembered, please take a second to subscribe and like this video to support Natural Destruction. Rainfall exceeding 200 millimeters in a few hours completely overwhelmed local Sponge City infrastructure. The surface runoff coefficient jumped to nearly 1.0, turning avenues into raging rivers. When sea storm surges blocked river outlets, seawater backed up through municipal drains, exploding onto city streets. Amid these raging torrents, how did over 1 million human beings evacuate in total darkness without triggering chaotic stampedes or massive loss of life? The most remarkable statistic is not just the 151 kilometers per hour wind speed. It is the record evacuation of over 1 million residents. Families packed ancestral records, essential medications, and photos, moving orderly into shelters. This collective discipline and family devotion prevented mass fatalities, proving that social unity can effectively neutralize nature's deadly potential. Comparing Dolphin to Saomai in 2006 or Lakima in 2019 reveals an alarming pattern. Ocean warming causes typhoons to decay slower and hold massive moisture loads further inland. Extreme weather events are shifting from rare occurrences into routine challenges. Through Asian philosophy, severe storms serve as a profound reminder of impermanence, urging humanity to live in harmony with heaven, earth, and nature. 3 resilience lessons from Typhoon. Dolphin, aerodynamic reinforcement. Install mechanical hurricane clips on metal roofs. Dual directional hydraulics. Pair sponge city infrastructure with automated backflow valves and high-capacity pumps. Early rainfall triggers. Establish evacuation protocols based on 24-hour rainfall forecasts. Thank you for watching Natural Destruction. Stay safe, cherish your family, and we will see you in the next analysis.